Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to set up Face ID. First, open your device's Settings application. Then, scroll down and tap on Face ID and Passcode. You will need to enter your current passcode to proceed with the setup. This step ensures only you can manage these important security features, keeping your device safe. Now, you are ready to begin the easy setup process. To begin your initial scan, simply tap Set up Face ID. Hold your device approximately 10 to 25 centimeters from your face. Position your face clearly within the circular frame on the screen. Slowly move your head to complete a full circular motion, allowing the device to capture various angles of your features. This first scan creates the primary biometric template. After successfully completing the first scan, your device will prompt you to perform a second one. Tap Continue to proceed. Repeat the exact same head movements as before, again completing a full circular motion within the on-screen frame. This second scan is crucial. It captures even more data points, significantly improving Face ID precision and its ability to recognize you reliably. Once both scans are complete, you can customize your Face ID settings. Toggle on Require Attention for Face ID to ensure it only unlocks when you are actively looking at your device. Explore other options like using Face ID for iTunes and App Store purchases or for wallet payments. You can also set an alternate appearance if you often wear glasses or change your hairstyle.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.